Hey, amazing artists! Have you ever thought about selling your art online? It's like opening the door to a whole new world of possibilities. Imagine your art reaching art lovers, collectors, and interior designers all over the globe, all from your own website or online platforms. The online art market is booming. It's a dynamic and exciting space where artists like you can connect directly with buyers, share their creative visions, and build thriving businesses on your own terms. No more waiting for galleries to discover you. You have the power to showcase your talent to the world. Gone are the days when selling your art meant renting a physical gallery space or relying solely on word of mouth. The internet has revolutionized the art world, making it easier than ever for artists to connect with buyers from all walks of life. Whether you're a painter, sculptor, photographer, or digital artist, the online art market welcomes your unique perspective. In this chapter, we'll demystify the world of online art sales and equip you with the knowledge and tools to thrive in this exciting arena. Get ready to unlock the secrets of this vibrant marketplace and take your art business to the next level. So, how big is this online art world anyway? Well, it's pretty massive and growing every day. People worldwide are buying and selling art online, from affordable prints to high-end masterpieces. Think of it like a giant online marketplace buzzing with activity. You've got your dedicated art platforms like Artsy and Saatchi Art, alongside more general marketplaces like Etsy, each catering to different artists and buyers. And then there's the incredible reach of social media. Platforms like Instagram, Pinterest, and even TikTok have become virtual galleries where art is discovered and shared every second. This digital landscape is constantly changing, with new platforms, technologies, and trends emerging all the time. That might sound a little intimidating, but don't worry. It's actually great news for artists. It means there are more opportunities than ever to get your art in front of the right people. The key is to understand how this market operates and to choose the platforms and strategies that align best with your artistic style and business goals. Now, let's talk about the people on the other side of the screen. The art lovers and collectors who are eager to discover and purchase unique pieces online. Who are they, and what are they looking for? You might be surprised to learn that online art buyers come from all walks of life. We're talking about young professionals decorating their first apartments, seasoned collectors looking for their next statement piece, and everyone in between. They're located across the globe, representing diverse cultures, tastes, and budgets. What unites them is a shared passion for art and a desire to connect with the stories and emotions behind each piece. They're looking for art that speaks to them personally, art that resonates with their style and values. Understanding your target audience, their demographics, preferences, and motivations is crucial for tailoring your online presence and marketing efforts to attract the right buyers. The online art world, just like the art itself, is constantly evolving. New trends are always popping up, changing how people buy and sell art online. One of the coolest trends is the rise of augmented reality, AR. Ever imagined seeing how a painting would look above your sofa before you buy it? AR makes that possible. Buyers can use their phones or tablets to place virtual artworks in their homes, making the online art experience super interactive and fun. Another trend is the growing interest in art as an investment. More people are seeing art not just as something beautiful, but also as something that can increase in value over time. Platforms that verify artwork authenticity and track artists' careers are gaining popularity, making it easier for buyers to make informed investment decisions. Then there's the power of social media. It's not just about posting pretty pictures, it's about building a community, engaging with your followers, sharing your creative process, and even collaborating with other artists can significantly expand your reach and attract new collectors. Staying informed about these trends and adapting your strategies accordingly will help you stay ahead of the curve and make the most of the ever-changing online art landscape. Now, let's get real for a moment. While the online art market offers incredible opportunities, it also presents unique challenges. But hey, every challenge is an opportunity for growth, right? One of the biggest hurdles is standing out in the crowded digital space. With so many talented artists online, it's essential to find ways to differentiate yourself and capture the attention of potential buyers. Another challenge is building trust with buyers who can't physically examine your artwork. High-quality images, detailed descriptions, and a secure checkout process are crucial for establishing credibility and making buyers feel confident about purchasing your art online. Then there's the ever-present learning curve of navigating the technical aspects of selling online. From setting up your website or online shop to marketing your work and handling shipping logistics, there's a lot to learn. But don't let these challenges discourage you. By approaching them strategically and embracing a growth mindset, you can overcome these obstacles and turn them into stepping stones on your path to online art success. Ready to make your mark in the online art world? First things first, you need to build a strong online presence that showcases your unique artistic identity and attracts your ideal collectors. Think of it as creating your own virtual art studio, a place where people can connect with you and your work. Start with a professional-looking website or online portfolio. This is your digital home base, the place where potential buyers can explore your artwork, learn about your creative journey, and even purchase pieces directly from you. Make sure it's easy to navigate, visually appealing, and reflects your artistic style. But your online presence extends beyond your website. Social media platforms are your best friend. Choose platforms where your target audience hangs out, whether it's the visual storytelling of Instagram, the inspirational mood boards of Pinterest, or the art-loving communities on Facebook. Share your artwork, behind-the-scenes glimpses of your creative process, and engage with your followers authentically. Remember, building a strong online presence takes time and consistency. Show up authentically, share your passion, and don't be afraid to let your personality shine through. Your online portfolio is your digital gallery, the place where potential buyers come to experience the full scope of your artistic talent. Think of it as your virtual exhibition space. Just like you wouldn't hang every piece you've ever created in a physical gallery, your online portfolio should be a curated collection of your strongest work. Choose high-quality images that capture the true essence of your art. Good lighting, sharp focus, and accurate color representation are essential. Consider investing in professional photography or learning basic editing techniques to ensure your images are top-notch. Provide detailed descriptions for each artwork, including the title, medium, dimensions, and most importantly, the story behind the piece. What inspired you to create it? What emotions or ideas does it evoke? Help potential buyers connect with your art on a deeper level. Organize your portfolio in a way that makes sense for your work. You can categorize pieces by theme, style, medium, or even create separate galleries for different collections. Remember, your online portfolio should be a reflection of your artistic vision, carefully curated to captivate viewers and leave a lasting impression. Creating amazing art is only half the battle. To succeed in the online art market, you need to become a savvy marketer, spreading the word about your art and connecting with your ideal collectors. Think about it. Your art could be the most beautiful, moving, thought-provoking piece in the world. But if no one sees it, it's not going to find its forever home. That's where marketing comes in. One of the most effective ways to reach new audiences is through social media marketing. Share your art regularly, engage with your followers, run contests and giveaways, and even collaborate with other artists or influencers in your niche. Email marketing is another powerful tool. Build an email list of interested collectors and send out regular newsletters showcasing your latest work, upcoming exhibitions, virtual or in person, or even behind-the-scenes peeks into your studio. Consider running targeted ad campaigns on social media or search engines to reach specific demographics or interests related to your art. Remember, marketing isn't about being pushy or salesy. It's about sharing your passion, telling your story, and building genuine connections with people who appreciate your art. You've created beautiful art, built a stunning online presence, and connected with eager buyers. Now, let's talk about the practical side of running your online art business: pricing, packaging, and shipping. Pricing your art can feel tricky, but it's crucial to find a balance between valuing your work fairly and making it accessible to your target market. Consider factors like the size and complexity of the piece, the materials used, the time invested, and current market trends. Packaging your artwork with care is essential for ensuring its safe arrival at its new home. Invest in sturdy shipping materials like acid-free tissue paper, bubble wrap corner protectors, and sturdy boxes. Consider offering different framing options to provide added value to your buyers. Research shipping options carefully and factor shipping costs into your pricing. Provide tracking information to your buyers and communicate clearly about delivery timelines. By mastering these business aspects, you'll create a seamless and professional experience for your buyers, building trust and encouraging repeat business. Remember, running a successful online art business requires a blend of creativity, business acumen, and a whole lot of heart. Embrace the journey, stay true to your vision, and never stop creating.